Hey, Rob here for Quadratec. With over 30 years of experience in the Jeep aftermarket parts and accessory business, when it comes to questions about your Wrangler, you can bet that we've probably heard them all. But time and time again, one of those questions seems to come up more than the others. And those always happen to be about soft tops, or more specifically, installing a new soft top on your Wrangler. So we thought we'd put together a quick video collecting some of the top tips and tricks we've gathered throughout the years to help make installing your new soft top just a little bit easier. Now, of course, if you have any comments or questions about installing a top on your Wrangler, you can always leave this for me right in the comment section below, or you can contact one of our factory-trained soft top specialists at the number on the screen below. Whether you're installing a soft top on a brand new Wrangler like I have in the shop here today, or maybe one that's a few years old, perhaps you're installing a top on a Jeep that's only ever had a hard top previously, or maybe you're replacing that worn and tattered soft top, hopefully these tips and tricks will help make your installation go just a little bit easier. A soft top, as well as the frame, can be large and awkward to handle by yourself. So having a friend around to help with your install can make it go that much smoother. Not only will it be much easier to lift that soft top and frame up onto your Jeep and back off if you need to, but having a second pair of hands around to help with different parts of the install is going to take a lot of the frustration out of installing your new soft top on your Wrangler. A new soft top can have a lot of different parts and components to it. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with all of those different pieces before you begin your install. Go ahead and lay everything out so you can take a good look at all of the different components to your soft top, as well as familiarize yourself with the instructions. This is also the perfect time to ensure that you're not missing any pieces before you begin your install. Whenever you're installing a new soft top, you want to make sure you're doing so on a warm day, outside in direct sunlight if possible. All that new material is going to be very tight, and by doing it in the direct sunlight on a warm day, it's going to help that material to relax so that you're not fighting it as you're stretching it over the frame. It's a great idea to lay the different pieces of soft top material and even the soft top windows out in the sun for a few hours before you begin your installation. If you're installing a soft top on a JK or a TJ Wrangler, maybe with those rear sail panels on the corners of the soft top, it can sometimes be a bit challenging to get them started and tucked into the belt rail on the body. Now, even if you've left that material out in the sunlight to soften up a bit, it can be helpful to leave the windshield latches in the unlatched position. Go ahead and get them clipped into the spots on the windshield frame, but don't close those latches down. By leaving them open, it's going to give you a little bit of extra slack to come back to the rear corners and get those sail panels started into the belt rail. You can even use your free hand to grab the soft top frame and apply a little bit of your body weight to the frame and the material to help pull that down and get them started into the belt rail. Once you have them clipped in, head back to the front of the Jeep and close those latches. That's going to help make your install go a lot smoother. One final tip for you: once you've completed the installation of your soft top on your Wrangler, you'll want to leave it in the closed position with all of the windows installed in the top for a couple of days. By doing so, it's going to help all that new material, and especially the windows, to slightly relax and stretch under the tension of being in that closed position. If you've got a garage where you normally keep your Jeep, you'll want to leave it parked outside during this time period, especially if you've got some nice, warm, sunny days. It's just going to help speed up the process of relaxing that fabric. Now, by doing so, it's going to make owning and operating your new soft top that much easier and more enjoyable. I hope those tips and tricks are going to make installing your new soft top an easy and smooth process. Of course, if you have any comments or questions at all about installing a soft top on your Wrangler, you can always do this for me down in the comment section below, or contact one of our factory-trained soft top experts at the number displayed on your screen below. Remember, if you like these videos, do me a huge favor, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification icon so be sure to catch all of our latest videos. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.